Laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age. Dreams are forever. Life is more magical than you can ever imagine. Be happy and hopeful every day. Say goodbye to the past and live in the now. Surround yourself with amazing people every day that make you feel happier than you were yesterday, and be thankful. Make every day an adventure and have fun. Sometimes the simplest things in life are everything. Go out and find what makes you happy and be happy. Before you let anyone love you, learn to love yourself. Then everything will fall into place.
Over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world,
a dazzling place I never knew. But when I got here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world.
had a friend who ain't never had a friend like me. Never had a friend like me.
Dream in wonderful color.
Remember, you are more beautiful than you think and so much more amazing than you can imagine.